Turon! Welcome again to Mhelbeth's Table. Today, gagawa tayo ng isang napakasimple, napakadali, pero napakasarap na merienda. This is what we call the Puto Flan with cheese. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. Alright guys, what we do first is, I have here my egg yolks. I will gonna list down all the exact measurement of my ingredients. Alright, so just slowly mix everything. Like I have here the evaporated milk and also my condensed milk. Alright, and I will put some vanilla extract and also a lemon juice. Okay, then slowly we have to whip this and mix up all together. Don't mix it too quick, okay? Dahan-dahan lang guys para hindi siya magbabubbles. Just mix it slowly. So, as I can see, my flan is very light, like it's so pale. I want it to be more like a golden color, darker. Okay, so what I do, I have here yellow gel color. I will add some. So I'll put a little bit. There you go, and I will try to mix it again and make sure I will get the right color that I wanted. Alright guys, this is the right color that I wanted. So I will set this aside for now and we will mix in the puto. This is for our flan, okay? Okay, for the next step, we will make our puto mixture. I have here egg yolk. Add in the flour. Okay, next is put in the water. Vegetable oil, baking powder, powdered milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and salt. So we will mix this slowly again, like what we did in the flan mixture. Okay? You know why guys I'm mixing this so slowly? It's just because I don't want bubbles to come out into my puto batter. Okay guys, so what we do now is I want to sieve it. Put it here. Para guys mawala yung buo-buo. Alright guys, so just make sure na tsagain natin siyang i-sieve para sa ganon yung ating puto ay magiging malambot at ano siya, wala siyang bubbles. So we have to set aside this one for the puto batter, and now before we gonna put it into a puto molder, I want to sieve also our flan. Like I have here two strainer, a small one. Okay, so I'll just double it and put it in here like this, because we want our flan to be really smooth. Okay. Alright, so let's just set aside again. And then next step, now I have my puto molder. Okay, I have a tablespoon of oil here, vegetable oil, and then I will grab some paper towel. I grab some oil. We need to grease the bottom of our molder. Just the bottom part, not too much. Okay, just the bottom part. Alright guys, so first I have my flan mixture here. So I just mix it again. Alright. And then what I do is I put it into the molder. I'll be using this big tablespoon. Okay. I will now put it on my steamer tray. Okay, so make sure if you steam that your water is already boiling. Huwag masyadong idikit yung ating molder sa gilid ng ating steamer. Alright guys, when the water is boiling like this, you have to wait for a little bit until it will calm down. Alright, so we don't want that our water is really boiling like that. Okay, so let's just wait for a little moment. Alright guys, so I think this is good now. Make sure you have to put a cloth into your cover. Okay, and let's close it. Alright guys, we can now add the puto batter. So make sure that your flan is already half done. Okay, like that. Alright guys, after about 8 minutes, I will now add the cheese on top of the flan puto. Okay? Okay guys, we will steam again for about 2 minutes. Alright guys, after 2 minutes, let's check our puto. There you go, with the cheese on. So I have here a toothpick. I'm gonna insert it. And it's come out so clean, meaning this is already cooked. So let's just wait to cool down for a bit before we unmold the puto. Alright guys, here it is, our puto flan with cheese. So this is already cooled down. So I'm gonna just press like this and I will remove. Look at this guys, it's so perfect, so beautiful. Can you see that? See? Wow. As you can see guys, the flan is so like beautiful. It's so soft, and also the puto doesn't have any holes, like it's so smooth, right? So just follow my instructions and you can get this result of your puto. Alright guys, here it is. Look at this. So smooth and so soft. Very delicious. Look at that. So shiny. Ang sarap siya, di ba guys? Napakadaling gawin nito guys. And it's so perfect para pang negosyo. Alright, to all my subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be updated every time I will post a video in my channel. Maganda rin ito guys na panghanda para sa mga may kaarawan at sa lahat ng mga okasyon. Alright, thank you so much. Until next time again.